okay, this is Yamini. She goes, oh, I wanted to call Amu, but I called you by mistake.
Oh no! Everyone responsible for that!
You guys wait. I'll tell you the full story. I'll tell the story before that. I told Pushpi, I want to call Lali. She said, oh, your number. I said, no, Pushpi, this is next to Amu. This is Amu's number. Hey, chale, Pushpi, Reva, shut up.
I've done that quite often.
You can read, no.
That's a little fast.
No, she was like, hey, Reva, shut up, man. And then I just...
How did it come out so fast? Slowly.
And then Pushpi, she's like, hey, shut up, man. It's the right number. As usual, she thought I was wrong. I called. Obviously, I'm not supposed... How the hell am I supposed to know?
You 1 minute. Did anyone understand what
Basically, what happened?
She wanted to call love.
You should tell me if you're
See Pushpi's diary, okay? Amu's number up, Yamini's below, okay? So Pushpi's like, here,
After A, Y came off.
No, man, they're randomly written.
Okay, so she pointed Amu's number, second number, okay, which is below Amu's name, and she said this number. I said, Pushpi, this is Yamini. She said, hey, Reva, shut up. This is Amu's number. So I shut up and go call, believing Pushpi, thinking she'll be right, but it wasn't right.
But Reva, listen, I have to ask you something. If you thought you were calling Amu and you called Yamini's house, didn't you ask for Amu? Then how did Yamini's sister give Yamini the phone?
I asked for Lali.
She would have said, this is Revati first.
Yeah, I asked for Lali, and then she's like, who's this? And she's like, I'm like, hey, don't listen to me, no.
Oh God,
don't look at me,
Oh my
listen
God.
to me.
You don't want to show your skin, no?
Soft skin, see, soft skin. I bet he uses fair enhance.
No. Hey, Janvi, fair and fairy, man. Oh, man.
What's fair and fairy?
You don't remember? Hey, the Nepali brand of Fair and Lovely.
Oh,
Fair and fairy?
Yeah.
Yeah, when we went to Nepal, all these Nepal Liva Limited also.
Nepal just copied everything in India. Okay?
It's called Nepal Liva Limited.
Don't record it. Doesn't your night vision make everything look like ghosts?
Yeah.
Why are you taking it then?
Chuma I like it.
And your eyes look
having more fun than we do in the daytime, so she might as well.
No, everybody looks nice and nice. The eyes look really cool. Yeah, the eyes look really cool. I mean, except for, you know, the person who I told you about before, and obviously that person won't look good even if you... Okay, so Reva, finish your story. Airbrush the whole picture.
So then...
You know, I clearly can't show this video to Benu. Okay.
Then,
who else? She's not taking you, man. Stop flattering yourself.
Then what happened was...
Then report Reva, she's
Okay,
back.
yes,
Reva, listening.
Then what happened was... Then I called Yamini and I asked, who's this? No. And she's like, can I speak to Lali? And she's like, yeah, who's this? I said, I'm Revati. And I'm like, yeah, who's this? And she didn't answer and she just gave it to Yamini. Now, how the hell am I supposed to know?
She wouldn't even have heard lulls, no. You would have been so soft and meek.
That's all, Jan. Conversation ended. And
No,
it's
but
not
seriously,
my fault.
But you end up calling lulls finally.
Yeah.
I know. Her brother talks more than her on the phone, okay?
I don't like talking on the phone.
Oh, no, Reva, how are you going to keep in touch with us?
I don't.
So, Vishnu, how are you feeling right now?
Terrible. How can they expect us to wake up at 7 o'clock after letting us sleep at 12:30? Ridiculous and inhuman.
Okay, Janu, just take a look around. Look at
Yeah.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning.
Uncle promised us that we can sleep.
He thinks this is exactly your
This
sleep.
stress relief for us 12 standards having the board exam in March. It's not fair.
And after yesterday's trek, Reva? Revati.
It's pointless to me.
Okay, that's a break. But you know, we haven't got last night's check on this camera. Yeah, I know. I wanted you to get it, but obviously you couldn't. To describe? Describe what? No way. Yutpi, I want your opinion of what? I just want your opinion of right now first. First of all, we didn't get to sleep. Then we were forcefully woken up in the most horrible way. It's kind of the same as not getting to sleep. Yeah, but then actually it's still okay because it's not that cold. Yeah. It's my teeth. Is my hair okay? Do you think that matters? No, but I'm on camera, Janu. I'll see this later on. Janu, look at what happened. My knee fell down. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. How did it fall down? Nikhil's trying to look at himself like under the mirror. These people are like Okay, I'll stop.
Hey, some memos come.
Yeah, lots of stuff has come. Can you stop pressing buttons, Nikhil?
Hey, sucker.
Hey, sure, yeah, no.
Hey, stop recording da. Water.
He's recording.
Hey, shut up da, Yadalam. You're not going to get...
Yeah, oh, he's recording. He's recording.
Over there.
Then Pini.
Oh, he's recording again.
You're recording, da, Pini.
Yeah, no.
Pini's still recording.
Pini is still recording.
Hey guys, you guys are recording.
Hey, don't record, Nikki, please. Nikki, stop it, Nikki. Don't, Nikki, stop it, da.
Hemal, that's my brush man. Hemal, yeah, please!
Oh my god, he's actually recording. Nikki, stop it!
I need it more than you. Have you seen the length of my hair?
It's going.
Hemal, now you know why I said you need a haircut.
Now I really...
Hemal, I'm counting 5.
Okay,
5.
big deal. That's it. 4. Okay, stop.
It's still wet. I mean, damn.
Just don't get my face.
After the swim in the river, I can't take it anymore.
I can't sleep after 5. I'm used to.
I'm fast, man.
Zoom in and zoom
Okay,
out.
Nikki, stop recording. Irritated. Push Hemal. Move fast. Nikki, stop recording. Nikki, stop recording.
This is not going to make me feel mad, no?
Will you put it on my...
Man, I thought I'd draw today, you know.
Can you say something worth remembering?
Where are the other? You must have got hurt.
I'm
sure, Joe.
Oh,
I have a bad cold. I think I sound really nice.
put on your nose? I'm only you think so.
I know.
I changed my cap, so unfortunately.
We're all happy, aren't we? I like my cat.
Hey, someone comb my hair now.
Pop.
Oh my god, what a passport.
Does anyone have a purple toothbrush?
For sale. Purple toothbrush.
Yeah, that's the one. Whose is it?
Oh, who's it?
Sucker! Like I just sells a purple toothbrush. Hey, she buy it, Janvi. You anyway owe us some cash.
It's
Hey, owe us some cash, you know. We can start a business with it.
Give me your hairbrush.
Hey, Pini, this is
Thank
one
you.
more.
Just leave it in the...
DB, come.
Hair looking nice. Ouch, I'm amazed if it looks nice.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
And
Bad morning too. I hope it
you are
doesn't
ready
get
to head towards Subramania. You are ready?
Yeah.
All set to go?
Yeah.
All set to go?
Yes!
All set to go?
Yes!
Those who don't answer, they're not going behind.
Yeah, let them sleep here. Next day we'll come and pick you. Okay, please, shall we head count? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
9, 10. Okay, this is a last day.
Thank God. Yeah. What did you say? This is the last day.
It's around 15 kilometers from here.
15. He's cut it down from 20. Yeah.
We'll go around, say. Yeah, you have lots of time today.
Right. Let's see.
We'll keep going and wherever we want rest, we'll take rest. And you are going across the Kumara Dara. The river goes to Subramania. It starts from Pur.
Don't chuck it down.
Just remember, I'm not saying sadistically. Poor comment on poor Vishnu. He's very feeling bad. Vishnu, with her jinx, got stung by some 2 huge bees on her face. Enough, Janu. Really? This is really...
Anaya, enne can bidoge jaita my problem.
slowly. More than enough for me. First time coming.
Look, the best is normal freestyle, but I take too much of the Okay, I'm going that way. Stopping problems.
Madam, you seen the oil can?
No comments. I hurt myself. Explaining.
Sad. Okay, sad. That was sad.
It's on the map behind. Look all over there.
Do something! Bro, do something! Do something! Yeah! Suhasini, we didn't ask you to join. Please leave. Kari! Who has oil? Watch out, Nikki behind you.
The worst part is getting the sand. On the spot.
Or you can try dog flash. Keep your head out. No, they're actually helping against the current.
It's not very pleasant in your waist picture.
It's not good, but be very careful.
You jump, that's why you move.
Drop. Strong. Don't look coming.
You come, I'll help you. Come.
Stop!
Which one now?
Can I take a pic of all of you?
You're jobless, aren't you, you dog? What did you do? Video in your ass. Jobless fellow. Where are they starting from? Oh, there.
I've taken some 10 pictures of that.
And you don't look at you see the pic.
What am I?
Yeah, he's not swimming only.
Why? How come you're not swimming?
Very shy.
I don't have shorts. Also, I would have gone.
Why do you swim, Daddy B?
I can't swim at all, man. I drown. And knowing what kind of creature.
How was it me?
Please pass.
Born in Red Light Area.
She's enjoying.
Now this, a gentle walk around the river is what we meant in the first place. Okay. Pushpi wants to be interviewed, as we all know. She always wants to be on camera. So, Pushpi, what's your opinion?
That means
So, I'm interviewing you. So, what do you think
Food
of
means
this?
temple. Temple means bus. Bus means school.
Civilization on our left hand side, and this river by the side is really pretty, and it's not even hot anymore. So this is how our whole trip should have been, but it obviously so has not been. So this is not enough to compensate for what we've been through before, but we shall enjoy it right now.
Yes, okay.
Must you do this? My fingers are being dissected. We are not.
Precisely why it's very amusing.
And you know what? It's very scary because they're supposed to be removing thorns from my fingers. And every few minutes, either Krishna or Devikanti says, I can't see. And then I get really scared because I'm giving them my fingers and they're taking a needle and then they say they can't see. That's really scary, you know. Recording is embarrassing. Tari was always mean.
How are you guys? How are you?
Hey, awesome, cool.
I just gave him a chocolate, by the way. Oh shit, that is
Stop it, Tari, you're just throwing it to him.
Showing what? अरे तो क्या हुआ यार? खाना ही तो है.
गया, बस ऐसे ही करना. सबको दिखा. और कुछ.
ये कार is believe in sharing.
Sharing is caring. Now you say I don't care.
Give me one piece, no? Just a shocker.
See, okay, this is just to see your reactions. Nikki asked Krishnan uncle.
Nikki didn't ask anyone. Krishnan uncle.
Yeah, Krishnan uncle just did that to prove that he could. Shit! It's like a news. Okay, it's okay. Just tell me.
I think it was a very enjoyable trip, and even though there was a lot of pain, I think
minutes or half an hour, we never reached that place in that amount of time. And yeah, or even close, yeah, or say 2 kilometers. We eventually walked around 4 kilometers. So, but otherwise we've had lots of memorable experiences. And yeah, same thing, yeah.
I mean everyone just helped each other with everything.
Yeah, in yesterday's thing was possible.
Yeah, let's please. Keep.
Walk in the first time, it was nice, but the trees were a little troublesome at times.
Say it again.
The only thing I learned is you shouldn't kick the stones and the trees on the way because you'll end up tearing your shoes.
I think the warning calls need to be more clear. That Ohoho was used for at least 6 different purposes. So it was not a very useful call. You didn't know whether someone was in danger, whether someone was lagging behind, whether someone is perfectly fine, whether someone just feels like shouting. So it's better to have 2-3 calls for different purposes.
That's
a boost to me.
I've always liked this group of kids, so it was a very nice experience being with them. All the boys helping us, the girls hovering around, everyone playing nursemaid. Good for us. But the trek was a killer.
But I personally enjoyed the bath. I mean, the baths in the river and all that really. And I learned to appreciate my classmates a lot.
I liked the trip, except that I got angry. I got irritated and pissed at times, and my anger came out on plants and other stuff. Bamboos and all. And I mean, I think everyone got disturbed because of that.
No problem.
But overall, I think I had a nice trip, and that's all.
She looks scary.
So, anyways, yeah. That's it. Put it off. Get back to me.
Actually, second day also, you did great thing. I am also first time I'm going the late night. You are reaching the destination. Yes, thanks to everybody for this. Nobody lost your confidence. You all have very good confidence. Okay.